Good morning, dear students. I'm Mandeep Sani, your English teacher. As you already know that in the last assignment, we have already discussed our poem, and the name of the poem is A Journey Through Space. And in this AV assignment, we will discuss our question answers. Moreover, some clues, and through that clues we will find a particular word from the poem. Okay, let's start. Look at the clues and find the words from the poem. You are saying some sentences here, and through that sentences you have to find a particular word from the poem. Okay, first is to travel from place to place. What that particular word is called when we travel from one place to another place to place, we have to travel for our work or sometime for our vacations, right? So what is that particular word called? That is called journey. Journey. It's journey. Journey. It's journey. Okay, I'm going to pronounce it again. A travel from place to place. A travel from place to place. That's called journey. Journey. It's journey. Okay. Second number is area beyond the earth. The area that is out of the earth. That is sometime we can say the outer area of the earth. What is that particular word called? That is called space. S-P-A-C-E, pace. Space. Okay. S-P-A-C-E, pace. It's space. Okay. The area beyond the earth is called space. Okay. Third number is big. White ball shining in the night sky. A big white ball that is shining at the night time in the sky. What is that ball called? That is called moon. M-O-O-N, moon. A big white ball shining in the night sky. That's called moon. Okay. Fourth number is twinkling dots in the night sky. Twinkling dots. And you know very well that what are that twinkling dots called? That are stars. Twinkling dots in the night sky. That are stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Stars. Fifth number is happiness. One word for happiness, that is joy. Happiness, joy. Okay, we will move towards our question answer. First is, what would be fun for the poet? What would be fun for the poet? We have already discussed in our poem. The answer is a journey through space would be fun for the poet. A journey, Journey. It's journey. A journey through space would be fun for the poet. Okay. Actually, the poet is discussing about his dream that he wants to land over the moon, and it would be a great fun for him. Okay. What would be fun for the poet? A journey through space would be fun for the poet. Okay. Now we will move towards our question number 2. The second is, what does the poet want to do on the moon? What does the poet want to do on the moon? We have already discussed that The poet wants to land on the moon and play walk on its face, right? I have already discussed with you in the last assignment that a poet wants to land over the moon, and after landing he wants to enjoy some moments there. He wants to play there, he wants to walk over there, right? What is question saying? Question is saying, what does the poet want to do on the moon? What does the poet want to do on the moon? The poet wants to land on the moon. Firstly, the poet wants to land on the moon, okay? And afterwards, he wants to play walk on its face. Again, I am going to repeat it. The poet wants to land on the moon and play, walk on its face, right? I hope you have understood now. Third is, which planets has the poet named in the poem? It's a very quite easy, because in the last assignment I have discussed this one with you. Which planets has the poet named in the poem? The poet has named Venus, Mars and Jupiter in the poem. Again, I want to discuss with you Venus. Venus is the most brightened planet in the Sun family, and afterward Mars. Mars is also called red planet because Mars is made up of the red soil, so that's why this planet is called a red planet. And afterward Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the Sun family, okay? So, which planet has the poet named in the poem? The poet has named Venus, Mars and Jupiter in the poem, right? Next, fourth is, where does the poet want to settle? Where does the poet want to settle? The poet wants to settle on unknown planet. In the solar family, in our space, there are some unknown planets. Some are asteroids are there, okay? Some comets are there, and the poet wants to the poet wants to settle on unknown planets, okay? Those who haven't given names yet. The poet wants to settle on unknown planets. Okay? Got my point? Fifth number is, what would the poet fully enjoy? What would the poet fully enjoy? What thing the poet fully enjoyed? The poet would fully enjoy whatever he see on his journey through space. Actually, the poet would fully enjoy whatever he see there, whatever he enjoys there. He want to enjoy that feelings. He want to enjoy that moments. So the fifth number is, what would the poet fully enjoy? The poet would fully enjoy whatever he see on his journey through space. Okay? We have already discussed our poem and the question answers of this poem. I hope you all have understood it very well. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.